Hello everyone, welcome to Sharmit. In this session, we will discuss about another few important values for global composite operation value. Because prior to this session, we have already discussed various other types of values that we can use with this property. So this session is in the continuation of the same, where we will talk about two more values, that is XOR and lighter. Okay, so by the end of this session we will be able to understand what is XOR value for global for the global composite operation value, and what is the use of lighter value. Clear? But before we discuss the topic, I would like to recommend you to please go and check out the previously released sessions first, because they all are in proper sequence and sync. So if you follow them sequentially, then it would be very easy for you to understand the ongoing topic. Because for time being, we are just focusing only on the main thing, that is lighter and XOR value. Okay, so I think now we are good to start with the session. And here you can see the code is straightforward. We are just using the basic HTML syntax here, where we are using a title in the head section, and there is one heading, HTML by Sharmit. Now I'll save this and refresh it, so you can see HTML by Sharmit is printed. Now what we will do here, we will write one more heading, which is H2, and here we will write global composite, and then we will write here operation property for Canvas. Okay, and the value that we are going to learn today is would be in H3 heading. The first one would be lighter, LIGHTER, and the second one would be, after lighter we will write here the next value, XOR. Okay, remember one thing, this is first because in this session we are taking it as a first, but prior to this session we have already covered various values, so make sure that you check those sessions as well. So if you save it and refresh it, it would look like this: global composite operation property for Canvas, lighter or XOR. Okay, now what we will do after this we will simply write here one more thing, that is canvas. So we will add the canvas, because to draw something on a screen we need a canvas. So let's add the canvas here. Here I'll write ID, which would be of canvas 1. Okay, then width would be 600 pixels. Then we have height would be 300 pixels, and then we will set the style. So style would be of border 5 pixels, solid black. Okay, save it and refresh it. So now you can see one rectangle shaped canvas is added. This is not a rectangle, this is a canvas. Clear? Now after this canvas, what we will do, we will write here script. So script would be like this. Here we will write var c equals to document dot get element by ID, and here we will put ID as canvas 1. Okay, then we will write here var ctx equal c dot get context, and here we will write here 2D. Okay, so let's save it, and now you can see these two lines has been added, which is very important line for the script, because the first line, line number 31, is connecting the canvas with this script, and this is enabling us all the tools that we need for creating the two-dimensional shape. Okay, after this we will start drawing the shapes. So let's put one comment here, rectangle 1. Okay, here we will write ctx dot fill style equal red. Okay, then we will write here ctx dot fill rect, and in fill rect we will put 10, 10, 100, 100. Okay, let's save it and refresh it. So now you can see one rectangle is coming here as a red color, okay, with a red color. Now we will similarly draw the second part or second shape. So rectangle to ctx dot fill style. Here the color would be blue. ctx dot fill rect, and here we will put the value as 50, 50, 100, 100. Okay, let's save it. After a save, refresh the browser, and now you can see we have two shapes. One is of red color and another one is of blue color. Let's understand the requirement before moving directly to the global composite operation property. So the requirement is that we want to make a mixture of color wherever these two shapes are overlapping. That means my one shape is of red color, another one is of blue color. So wherever it is overlapping, so you can see this portion where I'm moving my cursor, right? So this is the portion that is overlapped. So I want to change the color of this portion which is overlapped by mixing these two colors. So for that we will use lighter. How? Let me show you. So here we will write ctx dot global composite operation equal lighter, lightter. Let's save it and refresh the browser. So let me, something is wrong here. lightter global. Not sure what is wrong here, but let me cut it from here. Let's try here, although it should not do this. Okay, maybe something I have written in a wrong way. ctx dot global composite operation. Okay, so let me paste it here. ctx dot global composite, okay, operation. So you can see the global global compositeoperation lighter. So we have added this thing. So let's remove it from here. This part we will again keep. Yeah, now you can save it and refresh it. So now you can see the portion that is overlapped here, red and blue, is now coming as a blue color. Okay, so this is how lighter works. Similarly, if you change the color here, let's say not here, maybe here, or it is up to you, like where you want to change, but I want to change it here. So I'll make it green, refresh it. So now you can see it is coming like a light blue, whatever the color is. So basically what it is doing, it is blending the two colors and filling it in the area which is overlapped by both the shapes. Clear? So this is how the lighter works. Similarly, now let's say if I want to implement the thing, let me show you the requirement first. So I want to show only those portions that are not overlapped. Okay, so from the first shape I want to show only this part. Similarly, from second shape I want to show only this part which is not overlapped. So in that case we will use XOR. Okay, XOR. Save it and refresh it. So now you can see it is coming like this. This is not a white color by blending, it's a non-overlapped area. Okay, so this white portion is a non-overlapped area. So it is this is overlapped area. So we are just mainly showing the non-overlapped area which is coming as green area and blue area. Okay, so whenever there is a requirement where you want to show the color only the where you only want to show the color that is overlapped, that is not overlapped, so in that case you will utilize this XOR. Okay, so far like we have discussed two types of values that we can use with global composite operation method in order to apply the color, which is in order to apply the values which is lighter and XOR. So I hope this entire session is clear to all of you. In the next session we will discuss few more things. So thank you for watching Tech Sharmit.